In this video, we are going to understand a short trick to find out the cube of the 3-digit bigger number. For example, my number is 998, and for that you have to just learn the cubes of the numbers from 1 to 20. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I make videos related to short tricks of the mathematics. So let's start our today's topic, which is how to find out cube of any 3-digit number when the second pair is greater than 20. Okay, so if you have seen my previous video in which I have explained how to find cube of the 3-digit number, then you will be able to understand that what does it mean, that second pair. Okay, so let us try to so if you have not seen, then please see my that video first. So see how to solve such kind of questions, and I will tell you in this video also that what does it mean, that what is the second pair is greater than 20. So for example, I have to find out the cube of this value 545 cube. Okay, so you can see that number is very big and you have to do cube of this number, so little bit more calculations will be there, but still the calculations will take very lesser time as compared to if you are going to solve it with the simple methods of mathematics. Okay, like this you will solve this and then you will again multiply it with 545. Now see it very carefully. So what is our trick, that we take two numbers from the last and make it as pair number 2, and this is my pair number 1. Okay, so what does we do to find out the cube of this? We divide our answer in 4 parts and each part will have only 2 digits. So these are the two rules, that there will be the 4 parts and each part will have only 2 digits in the answer. Okay, and what we write here? We write here at cube of first number, and at the last pair is what? Last pair is cube of the second number. Okay, and to find out the second and third value, what we do? First we find out a common value, which is 5 into 45 into 3. So when you will multiply this, then you will get this is equal to 675. So now what you have to do? You have to once multiply 675 by 5, and here you have to multiply 675 by 45. So if you will solve all these values, then you will get what? Cube of 5 is what? Cube of 5 is 125. Then cube of second part is what? This is the cube of 45 cube. Write it down as it is only, and when you will do multiplication, then you will get 3375 here, and here you will get the value equal to 30375. Okay, so now the next part is what? You have to find out the cube of 2-digit number. So you can find out the cube of 2-digit number very easily. I have explained the trick in my previous video, that how to find out the cube of the 2-digit number, and also I have explained for this particular value only how to find out the cube of the 45 by using the trick. So you have to use this trick 2 times while you are solving the cube of a 3-digit number, once for 3-digit number and then for the 2-digit number. So if you will use this trick to find out the cube of this, then you will get answer as 91125. Okay, so how you can write down your answer? 125 3375 30375 and 91125. Okay, so I have told you that at one place only 2 digits can be there, so take 25 here and add 991 here, then you will get what? Directly simply add 2 to write down. So directly simply write down 2 digits here and take the remaining to the this part, because remaining will be going to add to this part. Remaining will be what? 9 plus 3 12. This is 12 and this will be 3. So when you are going to add this, what you will get? 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, and what will be the next? Next will be 33 plus 3 will give you what? It will give you 36, and when you are going to add this value, then you will get 161, 87, 86 and 25. Okay, so remember that when the second pair is greater than 20, because till 20 you can learn the values of the cube, but after 20 you cannot learn, because how much values you are going to learn. So after 20 you can use this trick, that again find out the cube of the 2-digit number. Okay, so moving to second example. Suppose we have to find out the cube of the number 998 cube. So follow the same steps which we have followed in the previous question. What are those? Divide your answer in 4 parts. Okay, and then write down the cube of the first number. First number is what? 9, and the second pair is what? Second pair is my 98. So write down cube of 98 here. Okay, so this is my 9 cube and this is my 98 cube. Now what we have done, that we have multiplied each single pair 9 into 98 into this 3. So you will get what? After solving this value you will get 2646. Then what you have to do, you have to multiply this value once by 9 and then you have to multiply this value by 98. So when you will multiply this value by 9, then what you will get? You will get 23814, and when you will do multiplication of this value, then you will get 259308. So on my channel you can also find out the trick how to do fast multiplication of such big number. Okay, because you can see that number is very big and then you have to do cube of that number, so obviously a little bit calculations will be there, right? So what will be there? 9 cube is 729, then 23814, then 259308. So now see, this is a 2-digit number and you have to find out the cube of 2-digit number. And how to find out cube of the 2-digit number, you know from my previous video. So what is the value of 98 cube is 941192. I have taken these two examples in my previous video. What is the how to find out the cube of 98 and how to find out the cube of this 45. So you can see from there that how I am getting these two values. So write down your value 941192. So while writing your final answer, what you will do? You will take only 2 digits and take out the remaining here, which is 9411. What you will get? 8 plus 1 will be 9. This will be 1. And directly take the remaining part here. 3 plus 4 is 7. 9 plus 9 is 18. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then 2. So this is what? 7 plus 4 is 11. 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, carry 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and this is 2. So what you will get? 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, 6 2, 8, 8 and 1, 9, 7 2, 9. So this is going to be your answer. So once you will start practicing on this, then you will be habitual of this trick and you will forget about the normal mathematics and you will enjoy this trick. If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video in which we are going to understand the trick how to find out the percentage problems. Till then, take care and bye bye.